the end of 2019, and you know what that means. Time for some bloopers and highlights.
2019 was a good year for us. We got a bunch of new products launched, made a bunch of videos, made a bunch of parts. One of my favorite machines that we got out is the MX. I'm really excited about this machine. BT spindle, servos. It's a great machine. I'm excited for you guys to get your hands on it.
But on the other side of that, we also launched a bunch of other things. One of those being the XS Tech router. This is going to be a great little router that's going to get the machines into the hands of students and other people throughout the country. We're really excited for you guys to all get your hands and play with that.
We got the 24-hour router that came out, completely new product for us. We're really excited about it. I've been making some stuff on it, just having lots of fun with it. I'm excited to bring more videos for you guys next year showing that machine's capabilities.
And then for all of you that have the M's and are looking to upgrade, we have the M Plus upgrade path and even the AF50 Bandsaw, so that way you can get your material and stock prepped without having to stand around, watch that machine go.
We also launched PathPilot HUB, which is the online platform for you to be able to run PathPilot. Gives you the chance to get used to the interface, to try it out, but it also lets you store your files and transfer them directly to your control. So it really makes the machine easy to use and work with.
And some of the things that you might have also seen through our YouTube channel is that we have a new tech channel. This is going to be a great tool for everybody to look up and get those problems sorted out so you can get your machines back up and running as quickly as possible.
We did some fun collaborations with some of our YouTube channels. You may have heard of them, Hacksmith. We helped them build a lightsaber. That was a fun project. One of my favorite things that we were able to do in 2019 was partner up with Titan Gilroy. Titans of CNC Academy is a wonderful resource to teach you guys how to use machines, how to be a machinist, everything from 3-axis parts all the way to full aerospace, free academy, free training for everybody. I'm really excited about that partnership, and I'm glad that we're able to make that happen.
And on top of all of that, we're able to get our machines out to a bunch of trade shows. Last year we were at Solidworks World helping them make some parts. This year in 2020, it's going to be 3D Experience World. We're able to get out to Fabtech, where we had all of our machines chewing, making demos, making parts and giveaways. And we had 3 of our machines at Battlebots working the pits to help all those robots get up and running and then help to break each other. But here's your favorite part, the blooper reel. Please remember to subscribe.
Next 100. You don't know who that is.
No, I don't. Please remember to subscribe. God, I hate that word so much. Please remember to support us. The S's are killing me right now.
Is that mesmerizing?
A little. Over here. What's with the barf tops? Is that a term? Barf?
Bar feed?
Bar feeder? Bar puller?
Barf.
Wait, did I say something that was
No, it's written.
Oh, barf.
Bar fed. I read it as bar fed.
Located right here at the Tormach headquarters in America's heartland, Wisconsin. That's so bad. Awkward smile.
No, it's good. Welcome to the great taste of Culver's.
Wisconsin, man.
So let's work through how we made this part real quickly in our PCNC 1100.
Oh, I can't say that.
No!
You said PCNC.
I did.
La, la, la.
I got that.
I know you did. That's why I gave it to you. Just trying to make the Christmas blooper reel special. I was like, are we just...
We're gonna hug.
Do you want to get super cozy? I did just have my wedding. I know what those photos are supposed to look like.
Right?
He can rest his head on my shoulder. We can stare longingly into each other's eyes.
Subscribe to the channel here, and it's more videos here.
Subscribe to the channel here and watch
More videos here. Check out our subscribe down here, and check out our other videos up over here. You can subscribe to more of our videos here, or subscribe. Why do I screw that up every time?